I don't know if you're happy or sad by the sight of the air fryer. It's here because we're gonna use it in this recipe. Sorry if you're not a fan. To make our garlic butter broccoli, we need to cut our broccoli head or crown into a small floret. Once you reach the stage with no further florets to be cut, you can cut the whole piece from the stem. Then try to separate them into bite-sized pieces. For this recipe, we use about 1.5 pounds of broccoli, which is about 600 grams. To perfectly cook the broccoli, we need to do this in 2 stages. The first stage, cook at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes without adding anything. You don't have to use the air fryer paper in this step. It's just me, I like to use it. And whatever you do, don't do the mistake I did, overcrowding your air fryer basket. It will result in uneven cooking. While the broccoli cooks, let's work on our garlic butter. Into a small bowl, add in your butter. We used about 1/3 of a stick of butter, unsalted butter, which is about 30 grams. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now into the microwave. Melt the butter on high for 30 seconds. By now, the first batch should be done. Set it aside and get your second batch going. While the first batch is hot, brush them with the garlic butter. Make sure that you mix your butter and garlic powder well before brushing. Brush your broccoli florets all over on all sides. Again, working in batches. After brushing them, cook them again for another 5 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. This is what they should look like. Personally, I like the browned charred broccoli. If you don't like getting the brown charred into your broccoli, just cook it for less time. Instead of the 5 minutes, make it 3. And note, it will not be soft. It will be a little bit harder, like uncooked vegetables. Just keep that in mind. And that's it. This is how you make your garlic butter broccoli with only 3 ingredients: the broccoli, the butter, and the garlic powder. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends who like broccoli. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.